What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or night, depending on where you're at, but hope it is awesome. And man, I know it's awesome because Bitcoin just hit an all-time high. Obviously, we've come down since we hit the all-time high, but I figured, you know what? We got to go live. We cannot let Bitcoin hit an all-time high. We are not going live. Talk about this, talk about the charts, talk about what's setting us up, because as you guys know, when Bitcoin starts to run, people will end up taking their profits and then they'll put them back into altcoins and things like that. So although the altcoins are down because Bitcoin's running, that's a typical pattern of which we see. Just realize that altcoin season's here. It's here to stay right now. And a lot of us that have been sitting here are probably pretty excited for what this is actually going to bring. I mean, I know I'm excited. I know that it's down right now. My sell order for HBAR actually hit, and so I had to reposition myself. Made like I think it was like $195 off it, so it wasn't the greatest trade, but didn't take a loss, so that's all that matters. And super happy about that. So let's start off this show. I'm gonna pull up the chart here real quick because this is looking too nice. So while I say what's up to everyone in the chat, let's just look at this and take this. We just hit history today, breaking an all-time high for Bitcoin. And so, yeah, XRP is down, but BTC is up. That's typically how it goes. So, Robert, what's going on, buddy? Kai, we got Kai in the house here. Jimmy Cutlets, what's up, buddy? Got XRP Colt. You see XRP Colt. We got TXK Dave. What's going on, man? Yeah, we got a lot of people chatting before the show here. Cybermedic, Alan, Merzette, what's up, dude? Jacob Brown, we got Kai in the house. What's up, Kai? Kai's always here. Viking Cat, what's up, buddy? Hope all is well. Jam, Intrigue. Yeah, we got a lot of people talking before the chat here. Man, you guys are already chatting it up right now. Dang, we got Alex in the house here watching football and these charts. Heck yeah, dude, that's the way to do it, man. Yeah, the Seahawks are playing right now. But hey, charts are more important for me, dude. If we're here to make money, we're here to make some money. So that's what I'm trying to do. What's up, Hobie? What's up, buddy? Intrigue, Rude, McLaren, 100%. All right, we got everyone in here. Love how much we wait on the stream together, no matter what the market's doing. Heck yeah, Ethan, that's how it goes, man. You get a community together, and you just get on stream, and you just talk about whatever the case might be. We got 143 people over here on TikTok. What's going on, everyone? Next dip is around Christmas, XRP, or the Rizzler. Hey, man, we'll see, dude. When is XRP's next dip? I mean, we're already setting it right now, dude. I mean, we're down to 241. We'll see how this comes out. The 4-hour chart's not looking that great, so we'll check the 4-hour charts. We'll look at everything today or tonight and sort of see what sets us up for this weekend. We got a lot of positive things coming in this weekend or this week, upcoming week, I think. And so yeah, we'll jump right into that. I only buy on Thursday during a full moon. XRP swing trades do work once your main bag. Yeah, once you have a main bag, Henry, I'm with you, dude. It's a lot easier to swing trade. If you're trying to like build a bag while you're swing trading a bag, it makes it a lot harder. You are almost like you convince yourself not to do it because you're afraid it's going to run, so on and so forth. So yeah, I can see that. I'm seeing where Pepe goes as well. Pepe is actually doing pretty well. I mean, it's up a little bit today, but that thing was running earlier with Bitcoin. Drones over Jersey again. Really? Bitcoin is a long-term investment? Oh, yeah, dude. We've been holding Bitcoin for quite some time. And I mean, that's what excites me, dude. Bitcoin, like I opened up my wallet today to take a look. And honestly, it's just crazy seeing how many, I mean, Bitcoin, guys, get this, dude. Bitcoin is easily one of my biggest gains. Just because it's gone up so much. I mean, my unrealized gains on that is just, it's like the coolest thing to see. And I that's why I always say, if you're new to crypto, like Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin's really here to stay. So Javi, thanks so much for the donation to the channel. We got a $1.99 donation, 18 strong. Javi's been here for a long time. Appreciate you, buddy, for the donation to the channel. Always an A-teamer. I appreciate you a ton, dude. We got a new member of the house here. We got Robert Nelson. Robert Nelson, welcome to the channel, man. You're officially now a member of the A-team. Thank you very much for signing up. Appreciate that. What do you think of what is that? Pi? I don't really deal with that one, dude. XYO. If I seem a little congested, dude, we went out and played soccer today, and it was freezing cold. I had to come home. I was so cold, I had to come home and take a shower because I was so cold. Should we buy more XRP at 241? Let's take a look at XRP. Obviously, I want to talk about Bitcoin, but let's take a look at XRP. XRP on the day chart's not looking too hot. We're still in a really good pattern. I say not too hot. I mean, dude, trust me, Bitcoin or XRP is looking phenomenal. Like, I'm just saying, if you're looking for a day trade, it's obviously down. But I mean, this sets us up for some pretty good stuff. But you can see the day chart right here. Even with it down, Look at that trend. We got a nice trend line going on we got an upward trend line right now. You can't be upset with what we see here on the day chart. Now we go to the 12-hour chart. Still looking really good, right? I mean, upward trend, it might be slow, but it's still upward. And the good thing is if we could settle down here at the 241 again and try to retest this 251 or right at the 382 level, I think we'll be really good. MicroStrategy is going to open up the market in the NASDAQ 100. So yeah, be prepared for that. Toby Boy, what's up, buddy? Cloud99. Jason C, always Boogie, what's up, man? Kevin Lopez, what's up from Chicago? Chicago, that's awesome. What's the skinny green? You talking on this right here? Or you talking what this stuff down here? This is just volume. But the one positive thing right now, the 12-hour chart for XRP is looking really good. You can see right here, it's on the up and up. The 4-hour chart's looking a little bleak. It's obviously crossed back over the red right there. It's coming on its way down here. Let me hide the membership here by Robert, and you guys can see this a little better. You can see the 4-hour chart's coming down slightly right here. This actually, I mean, we might be in a buy zone again, probably around, we could be in it probably around midnight again, dude. This is like clockwork. Midnight, coming down, midnight. This was midnight right here. Right there was midnight on the up on this little downturn right here. So yeah. Very interesting to sort of see how this plays out, but probably at midnight we'll have another little buy signal. The 1-hour chart's coming on its way down as well. So yeah, how do I see your screen? Erica, if you want to come over to Awesome Austin, I have a YouTube channel as well. We're all over on YouTube. We have roughly about right now, I think we have roughly about 557 people in here watching live. And so that's where I share. I can't share it on TikTok because unfortunately TikTok doesn't work well with Apple products. So if you want to come over here, I know you have to leave TikTok, but that's where we're at. We're over on YouTube. So, and there's a bunch of people in the chat that you can chat with as well. Steve, what's going on, man? What's up, fam? What's going on? What's going on, Tony? Rocco, we need to run like BTC now. Yeah, that'd be super nice if we actually do run like BTC. We very well could. You know, altcoins usually run after a Bitcoin pump. You know, usually people take out profits or whatever it might be, and then they usually roll them over into altcoins. I mean, that's typically how it works. You know, throughout. I mean, that's pretty much how history works. The good thing here is my HBAR. Like I said, my HBAR sold. I made like $195 off it. Again, not the most craziest trade, but I mean, I'm like, hey, dude, it actually worked out decently. I did put a limit on there. I kept moving it up. And when it went into the almost a 31 cent range, I was like, you know what? I'm going to move it up. If it triggers, it triggers. If it comes back down, we'll rebuy back in. So now I'm going to put probably a purchase at the 3. It looks like right around the 3.5 area. It seems like we've already hit it 3 times in, what is that? 4, 8, 12, 16. In a 24-hour period, we hit this 35, which is a 285 range 3 times. So that's pretty wild. So, you know, maybe that's where I put an order in. Could come back down here tonight. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, no problem, Erica. Let's see here. So this is the A team. Claus from the Life of Aquatics says the B team. The B team. I don't know where the B team's at. 4 days, 4-hour chart looking. It's looking good though. I mean, the 4-hour chart looks good. This is the 4-hour. I mean, we're still working our way up here. Even if this comes down slightly, we can still come back up. The trend when it does that, it usually comes back over and we have a chance for it to come back up. I mean, but the 12-hour chart looks really good for a second there, but the day chart looks like it's still working out its kinks. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think that we're doing a pretty good job. Like we're doing a nice job of trading sideways at this. That's HBAR. Let me look at XRP. I was like, man, that doesn't look right. XRP is looking really good. I mean, look at this. It's working its way up, but it's like a slow, steady crawl. And I mean, this bull flag is looking pretty nice still. RLUSD launch. It hasn't like officially launched, but I think this week we're going to see something. Ondo's looking good, man. Ondo's actually looking pretty good. I don't own any, but you know, there's a lot of talk about it for sure. Near Protocol is good too, Ant. Near Protocol is good. What's going on? What's going on, Tree? Boomer Sumer, what's up, buddy? Got Trent in the house. What's up, Trent? Good to see Trent. XRP Cole. Trudeau said America should be feminist. Yeah, Trudeau's wild, bro. Trudeau's wild. Awesome. Something very interesting. I was in the process of transferring some USDT from Bitcoin to Bitstamp, and while transferring, before I finished RLUSD. Oh, did it really? Just be careful. It's not some like, crazy scam. That's all I care about. Just try not to get scammed. Thoughts on anyone? I don't know what that is, Flynn. Yeah, hit that like button. Appreciate you, Trent. Hit that like button. Yes, we have roughly 633 people in here on a random stream on a Sunday. Probably people were not expecting me to come on here. I wasn't actually going to come on, but after we were hitting these, I was like, you know what, dude, we got to jump on for the A team. We can't sit on the side. All time high on Sunday. Here we go. I'm with you, Hogzeel. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, dude. Ricky Ricardo, what's going on, man? Sue's time finally back to $5. Yeah, let's go down the list here because again, some of these have done well throughout the day, right? You go down to US SUI down right here, sit up to 477. It's up 11% on 24-hour chart. It's back down. Everything's back down in the red. Even Bitcoin slightly come down from its all-time high. We had a lot of money flowing into crypto in the last 3 hours, almost 4 hours. You can see we're almost to a $4 trillion market cap, $3.7 trillion market cap. That's insane. That's insane. Biden's body double. What's up, dude? You think we'll see a dip tonight, then climb tomorrow? Is that pretty normal? Yeah, usually Sundays are kind of a red day. I mean, I'll be honest, dude. I was not expecting. I was bullish on the charts that we saw. Like I was going to expect us to go up, but I was not expecting Bitcoin to rip like it did. I mean, Bitcoin went absolutely nuts, dude. It was up almost 4% on the day. I mean, this thing hit an all-time high of what was it? An all-time high of $106,488, dude. That's wild. I don't think anyone had that on their bingo card today for Bitcoin. I mean, some people probably did, but I guess I didn't have the bingo card of a hitting 106. So that's pretty cool to see. And then Ethereum's just going nuts too, man. This consolidated, did really well, traded sideways for almost 5 days, trading sideways, sideways down and then sideways again. And now we had a nice little rip today. So looking good, man. I mean, honestly, I think Ethereum's looking really positive right now. There's a lot of cryptos. XRP, let's keep talking about XRP. XRP has a lot of positive movement towards it right now. RLUSD launches. I think that we're in for a crazy stream. That's all I got to say. You seen the commercial ad that supermarket buying with crypto? I did not see that. Bought in a good bit, around 236 for 4 to 5 months. Invested to XRP, trying to build my bag. Heck yeah, Glenn. That's awesome, dude. Congrats to you, man. And Biden's body double. Thanks so much for the $5 donation to the channel, dude. Really appreciate that. I invested 400 Bitcoin. How much would I make a day trading it? When did you buy the $400? If you bought it today, you're up probably 3%. And I mean, maybe what is that? Not that much, right? What did that say? Can you show the BTC chart? Yeah. Let's go back. We can go back to the BTC chart. Yeah, it's looking good, man. Look at that, dude. That's on the day chart right now. The day chart looks super nice. Look at the 4-hour chart here. Even the 4-hour chart, right? 4-hour chart's looking really good too. Yeah, I think this dip right here was that liquidation event right here. It reached outside the channel and then came right back in. So that was a crazy liquidation event. When you convert another coin, does that count as a capital gains? Yes, it does, Adam. You'll count it as a transaction. And then whatever, you'll probably have a loss because you'll end up paying a fee. So if you let's just say you transfer to Tether, right? That would be a taxable event, but you're transferring over, you're not going to make any profit off of it. If anything, you're probably going to lose money because you're going to pay like a $150 fee. So make sure you calculate that fee. The cointracker.io calculates it for you. So they'll actually allow you to write off those fees to your taxes. So yeah, just be prepared for that. Yeah, steady. We need slow and steady, Corey, for XRP. For some reason, we can't get past this wall, dude. We got up to this point 38 or 382 level, and we seem to hit this. We can't get past this 252 marker. This 252, 251 area seems to be a hard. We were hitting some resistance right there for sure, right? XRP on the Elliott waves is set at 320. Okay. You're saying 320 for where it's going to fall to? Is that what you're saying? Tonight I will stay up all night. I want to see either if it pumps or dumps. All right, Alan. You're gonna be that makes for a long night, dude. I'm new to crypto. Let's see. I'm new to crypto, having a day job. Should I just hold on to XRP and not DCA? You're at 73 cents. I mean, usually I don't. If you're accumulating a bag, like you're just like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna add to my bag because like I'm just gonna keep adding to it regardless of price, which is like Michael Saylor's strategy with Bitcoin. He doesn't care the price. He's just, whenever he has the money to buy Bitcoin, he's going to buy it because he knows that the future of Bitcoin is going to go up. That is Michael's strategy. That is Michael Saylor's strategy. That is a different strategy than most, but some people will do that. Some people will just like, hey, you know what? I got $100. I'm going to buy XRP. I don't care if it's 30 cents. I don't care if it's $1. I'm buying XRP. So, you know, you got to make that decision. If you're building a bag, you know, a lot of people do that. So, yeah, it's hard to say. How many days these runs? How many days do these runs for? You know, it's tough to say, man. Sometimes, you know, runs they can go a week, 7 days. They can go two weeks. I mean, you can see right here, this run went all month. This run went an entire month right here. Look at this. We started on November 5th, right here, November 5th, dude. Trump gets elected, and we went all the way from 51 cents with XRP and made this entire run. We went sideways for about almost, what is that, 8, 16, 24, like 5 days, went up, went sideways again for another 5 days, went up, went sideways for like 2 days, and then now we've gone up, and we pretty much have gone sideways. This is a cluster right here, like almost like, I mean, this is hitting these areas pretty good. So this is like a really good, this is what they call a bull flag. I mean, this is like the perfect definition. I couldn't describe it any better. So, and it's still looking pretty damn good. Driving home from work. What's up, Shaman? Good to see Shaman in the house. Where are all the cup and handle traders? Look at the ape coin. Oh, is there a cup and handle over there? All right. All my YouTube is recommending me is videos of people who lost all their money in crypto. It's stressing me out. Oh man, are they really? What did you search up, Wesley? New to crypto, hold XRP, HBAR, and XLM. Should I be investing in something else? I mean, if you have the funds to do it and you find something else find something else interesting, yeah, I mean, you know, you should continue to, you know, after you get your feet wet and you get a good idea of what crypto is and everything that's going on, yeah, expand your horizon. You know, find another one that you feel you can invest in. You know what I mean? That's, again, you keep it where you want it and, you know, move up there. It's really up to you on how you feel about it. But yeah, when I got into crypto, I was buying everything, dude. When I first got into crypto, I had like 70 cryptos going on, dude. It was nuts. And then I was like, wait a second. It was so hard to keep track of it all. So I ended up consolidating. And that's where, you know, I consolidated on the ones that I actually like, the ones that are, you know, intrigue me, the ones that excite me. And I kind of stuck to those. So glad you're live. Had to leave a pompous ass stream. Oh man, what stream were you on, Michael Mabry? I'd like to know what stream you were on. Well, hopefully this one's not like that. What's up, William? What's going on, man? Chainlink is really good. Chainlink's looking good, Rito Burrito. Chainlink, I was like, gosh, dang, dude. Chainlink's on one right now. I'll give Chainlink that for sure. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's looking really good. Look at the arbitration right now, dude. Between Bitstamp and Coinbase, there is a 40-cent gap between these two. I guarantee you so much arbitrage is going on between these exchanges right now. Like Binance, we could probably let's see what Binance, let's pull up Binance's, let's take a look at Binance's Bitcoin. Where's Binance? Oh yeah, so Binance is trading at, currently trading at 190 right now. So it's trading at, yeah, dude, the arbitrage is nuts right now. So look at this one, dude. This is trading at 104. So you could buy right now at 104.086, and then you could move it over to Coinbase for 104.522. So the arbitrage is probably nuts right now with Bitcoin, dude. If you're into that kind of stuff, you are making a killing. I'm not into arbitrage. I don't do that stuff. That's too aggressive. Plus, I can't get into Binance if I wanted to. But the arbitrage on this stuff is wild, dude. So, yeah, this is interesting, man. I mean, look at this 104.86 from Binance for their pricing, but yet it's 104.516 for Coinbase. So I guarantee you people are eating this up. And if you go over to Bitstamp, it's sitting at 104.532. So they're even $60 more, dude. They're like $500 difference, $400 difference, dude. Look at that, 104.532, and then you go back and that's crazy, dude. I didn't even realize that till just now. The guy is normal and has a great TA, but tonight he was a better than thou kick and yeah, that's always rough, dude. Never get that from Austin. Yeah, that's rough, dude. Hey, we're in this together. So yeah, that's crazy. Well, I'm excited you're here, Michael. Thank you for being here, man. How does CoinTracker work? You just plug in your wallet. You just put in your wallet, and it's just the interface for your wallet. you're not giving them your seed phrase. You're just giving them your wallet address, and then they'll just track the blockchain for you. So like when I make my trades for like HBAR, it'll tell me, like, I get an email from CoinTracker like, hey, you made a trade and this is what it is, and then it tells you like right then and there how much you made, and then what your realized gains are. It also tells you what your unrealized gains are. So yeah, it's really good. Yeah, Deidre, XLM's great. Yeah, we all own XLM for quite some time. We're sitting here watching it do its thing, dude. So yeah, that's a good one. Appreciate the follows over here. Thoughts on ETHA? I don't know that one. Ondo Finance is killing it, dude. I don't own Ondo, by the way. I can get past that 251. I can get us past. All right. Hope get the bag. All right. What's up, Kokor? We got Kokor in the house. Bro, can you please announce about ongoing scams? Yeah, Alex, thanks so much for bringing that up again. I'll probably have to do this every stream. Just realize there's crazy scams before every single crypto video out there. I think every crypto content creator on YouTube has a scam video as an ad playing before they're live or before their things. Just realize that that's a scam. That's not real. Like it's totally there to screw you over. So please do not click on anything. Please do not transfer money. Just do not do any of that stuff. So thanks again for reminding me, Alex. I appreciate that. Every day an XRP is under 333, then DCA to take the profits waiting. Yeah, there's a lot of opportunities, dude. Too fast to handle. What's up, man? Hey, Austin, a family member wants it in on my investment. I don't think the price will fall much lower than this. Do I just go in at this price point? I'm going to play out tonight. So I'll just say, I'm going to find an entry point. You can see right now on the 4-hour chart for XRP. Let's actually go back to this one. You can see on the 4-hour chart, this is coming down. So we want to cross the 20 again, and we're probably right at midnight again. It looks like midnight is probably, so stay awake. I don't know what side of where you're at in terms of time zone. I'll probably be midnight before I, take a look at this, but the 4-hour chart's looking like that. The 12-hour chart's actually looking pretty good still. Like this is a very healthy looking chart. And the day chart's still hovering down here. The blue line, which is it has passed over the red, so that's good. That means starting to get bought up a little bit. And the 1-hour chart's again at the top. So this is the only indicator that's a little off, because usually this comes back down. But I'm really tracking this 4-hour chart right now to see where it goes, because in about an hour or two, or in about 6 hours, that this 1-hour chart could come back down again. It'll come back down hopefully, and then it could come back down sometime and hit back up. So we'll see how this plays out right here. It could do something like this, right? Come back down and then come back up, versus coming all the way down. It could come back down, come back up. So yeah, we're going to play this out. But I would probably, if it's me personally, I'd probably wait. If you get a YouTube scam, yeah, try to avoid the YouTube scams. If you bought XRP low and already have a big bag, you should find another ISO coin. Yeah, I would agree, Mark. I would agree. Yeah, we have 927 people in here watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, definitely have to subscribe to comment, just because it's really hard to get through the comments. I try to talk to everyone as much as I possibly can. So please do that. If you want to talk, feel free to jump in. Do you know Doge? Yeah, I know. Yeah, Doge is good, man. It's not my biggest bag, but it's definitely there. Which platform charges the least in fees? Well, I use Coinbase, but I signed up for the premium. So it seems like every 4 days or so it does something drastic. True. I think Alex MC, that's true. Let's see here. Awesome Austin Lifer. I appreciate that. I've been long-term investing in properties and stocks recently in positive cash flow and diversify my portfolio. I use my rental. Oh, damn, Alex. That's awesome. Hey, keep it up, man. If that's working for you, keep it up, man. If that's working for you, let's do it. So again, Bitcoin came down pretty hot right here in the last hour. This is actually the 4-hour chart, but you can see this came down pretty hot, right? We're sitting up here at that 106 mark. In the last hour, it came down pretty hot. The 4-hour chart's looking pretty good, but look at that. That's pretty wild for that to come back. That came back down. That was some pretty big solace up there. People were definitely taking their positions. Do you hold any meme tokens, anyone, anymore, or just talk about them? Well, I hold Pepe. Pepe, I still hold. I think I do have a little bit of Doge, and that's about it. I sold everything else, dude. Pepe is kind of my SHIB of this run, right? I had SHIB all last year. Talked about SHIB a lot. Probably one of my largest bags in crypto. Sold that, and now I feel Pepe is on that run, right? Pepe has the next growth for this one, and we've been holding Pepe for a really long time. So that's pretty much it. But still a lot of people like that kind of stuff. Can you have a picture in picture so we can see the charts? Yeah, I could probably do picture in picture, but it's gonna be hard because like my angle is off, so that's why I didn't do it. You'd be like looking at my wall. Like and subscribe. Yeah, appreciate that. Yeah, we can look at HBAR again for you. Yeah, HBAR is looking pretty solid. You know, down to 28953. So my buy right now is 285. I got a buy order in at 285. 285 is my buy order on HBAR. Like I said, I sold, made like 195 after you know my fee. There's a little like I get a kickback from Coinbase. I do have to pay a little fee, but it does when it kicks back on the spot trading. That guy, what's up, bud? Yeah, I was hammered. Press that button quite a few times. Yeah, dude, you were handing out memberships like freaking like cake, dude, like cupcakes. You were just like, here you go, here you go, here you go. It was like Halloween in here, bro. And I appreciate you for it, dude. The whole A team appreciates Terry, that guy, handing out so many memberships, dude. And again, thank you so much, man. You've always been a huge supporter of mine, so I do appreciate it. Why can't you just get in Binance? Can't you use a VPN and get in the exchanges? One thing the exchanges have done, which the United States have done with the VPN, is they require you to put your location of your phone. So you have to allow the app to track your phone. So like you have to say allow it. You know, that it bings in on where you're at. So even if you have a VPN, it doesn't matter. You still have to put in your phone. It has to put in your location of your phone. You have to allow the app to track you to use it. It's kind of crazy. Where do you think Turbo can go in the next 2 months? I mean, Turbo, hey dude, Turbo's on Coinbase right now. So I mean, they kind of legitimize it a little bit. Just purchased an auto subscription. Elise, thank you so much. That's awesome. I appreciate you for subscribing over on TikTok. You are awesome for doing that. Appreciate it very much. We'll see if TikTok's still here in a month. I don't know. Here in the United States, it might be over. TikTok might be gone come January 1st. So, yeah. Any amount you're comfortable losing, yeah, definitely. Only invest what you're willing to lose. A team strong. Hell yeah, that guy. Appreciate you. I'm a little bit behind on the chat here. What do you think about LCX? I like LCX, dude. LCX is good, dude. I think a lot of people here like LCX. New to crypto, should I get a cold storage to store my crypto? Yes, Felix. That's yes. Yeah, no, I figured that, Corey. I figured. I think you said that yesterday. It was in Australia. You're like, hey, it's at 320 for me. Yeah, I remember you saying that. So yeah, I figured it was in Australian dollars. That's not the real Rosie Rios. What are you talking about, Adam? Tell this guy in here that me and Moonboy is not scamming people. I don't think you are. You've been here before. Yeah, you've been here. I've seen Michael before. He's been on the channel a lot. Gary on YouTube proposally allow scam videos. Yeah, right. Why aren't they protecting investors there? XDC is good, man. XDC is so frustrating to watch. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't run when you want it to. He won because of TikTok. Yeah, I know. Hopefully TikTok stays. Does Ledger take a bit to ship? Yeah, it takes like anywhere from 7 to 10 days. Austin, thanks so much for the $5 donation. Do you have to TikTok account? Yeah, I have 2 TikTok accounts. I have Awesome Austin and then I have Awesome Austin Crypto. So Awesome Austin was created way before it was created during when I was actually in Korea. I was just playing around with doing some stuff and I just blew up there. And then then I have a Awesome Austin Crypto. Those are the 2. And I won't DM you on there unless you DM me first and I get your message. So there's a lot of people out on TikTok right now that are scamming on, like acting like they're me. Realize that is not me. I will not be asking you guys for money or hitting me up on a WhatsApp thing. I don't even use that. So just I appreciate you bringing this. Thanks so much for the $5 donation. And I DM'd you earlier. It's not me, dude. And so please do not click on anything. It's not coming from me. I promise you that. I would never ask anyone for money or have you sign up for anything or nothing like that. So the only thing I'd probably have you sign up for if you wanted to is becoming a member over here on the YouTube side, so you could get into my Discord when it opens up, which will probably be at the first of the year, probably in the beginning of the year. So we have about, I don't know, probably anywhere from, we have like 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to probably do it somewhere in the beginning of 2025. Just give everyone a heads up. Where's the favorite exchange to buy, sell? I'm a Coinbase guy, retro. I'm a Coinbase guy. And again, Austin, thank you so much for the super chat. I saw a video guy showing Bitcoin history and how it goes down 70% after every major run. Yeah, Bitcoin. Well, usually you're going to fall back to it's going to fall back to its previous high from. So, like, if you pull this chart back, we can do it real quick so everyone can sort of see it. And I labeled it out before. I should probably do a better job labeling it out. My account, my TradingView account changed, and I lost some of the stuff I had. I lost a lot of the stuff I was following and all my charting that I did on it. So it kind of sucks. Like all my halvings went away and all my levels, which is kind of sad. But it is what it is. We can build a new one here. But yeah, you can see right now, this dipped to the last bull run's previous high, right? So last bull run, which was roughly, let me get this chart out of the way here. Move this down too. So yeah, you can see right here, roughly the previous high was back in December of 2017. It got up to about roughly 18,000, 19,000. And then we went on this next bull run here in 2021. And this thing dipped all the way down to roughly 17. So it matched the previous high of the last bull run, went up, came back down. So what our expectations would be for this bull run is that we're going to hit a high, and then we would probably come back down if it's going to repeat itself to its previous all-time high, which would be roughly 68,000. So this will come up, and then it will retrace back, and it will probably hit a low of 67. So people that are buying up right now for the first time in Bitcoin, if you want to catch the bottom, you would have to then sell your Bitcoin. But some people don't even sell. Some people hold their Bitcoin, wait for it to dip, and then put more money in. So, which is exactly what Michael Saylor did. So Michael Saylor's average Bitcoin was like, what was it, like 48,000, I think at one point. It was insane. 3 bags for you. Everyone on YouTube is talking a lot of crap about be careful, just trusting yourself. Yeah, exactly. Just trust in yourself, man. It's your money. You do what you need to do with it. Don't listen to everyone else talk about everything. Do what you think is best for you. What's our entry price? Which one are you talking about, June? BTC predictor when Asia opens. Oh, dude, that could go wild. It could go wild. Waiting on Flare and Songbird to break. Yeah, that could. Flare's kind of been a little staggering here. Need your help, Austin, looking into mutual funds with Vanguard. Let me know when you get time one day. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, mutual funds are fun. Mutual funds can be fun, dude. I think if you're going to get into a fund on Vanguard, you should just get into a BTC fund. BTC is the largest growing fund out there right now. That's what you should get into. What goes up must come down. BTC new high, low, mid to 100 to 101. Yeah, it's gonna, again, good buying opportunities for some people. We want it to go up. We want it to create another low so we can create another high. That's the whole goal of this game. You should still own a bank or a few established Solana meme coins. I sold my bonk, dude. I sold my bonk for a great profit. But I did have bonk all the way up until probably, I think it was, dude, honestly, it's a good thing. I think I sold my bonk. Let me go back and look. I think I sold my bonk. I think I rode this wave up and it came back down. And I think I sold right here. This is where I sold. I sold up here. So we bought bonk. When the hell did we buy? We bought bonk a while back, dude. Had to been like somewhere in this ballpark, dude. Like it was like, okay, time to buy bonk. It's running up. We bought bonk. And then I think I rode this. And then I think this next ride, I think it was like, yeah, if I go back and look at my ledger, I'll probably see that I sold here in July. I think it was July at this top. So yeah. And I haven't looked back. And again, I could have sold up here, but I didn't. Can you give your thoughts on LCX? Well, I mean, I don't own. I just know a lot of people here. I don't own it, dude. I don't know enough about LCX. I just know a lot of people here like it. It's definitely one of those ISOs that we've all been looking for. So I don't know enough about it to really give you an insight on the LCX. It's not one of those ones. I don't own it, so I haven't spent a lot of time with it. I don't own any crypto yet, but I want to get involved before it's too late. Am I about to buy 2,000 worth of XRP? What would make sense, or is that stupid? I mean, Ariel, anytime crypto, you have to get your feet wet. Honestly, I'd stick to the top cryptos. Like I said, if you're going to enter and you're looking for something, I mean, yeah, you'd probably look at a top established crypto. So that's great that you're looking for that. And just decide what's best for you on this. And I mean, XRP is a well-established crypto. Like I said, even Bitcoin. I mean, even $2,000 into Bitcoin a lot of people do that. So, I mean, my buddy just put 10,000 in Bitcoin for the first time today. So, and he actually take the back. He bought it. I don't know when he said he bought it. I think he said he bought it at 97. So I think it was a couple days ago. He bought it at 97 and already he's up, a pretty good amount. So yeah, just starting somewhere, get your toes wet and, work your way up. I'll hold XRP, XLM, and HBAR. Those are good, man. We all hold those. But yeah, you can see this is going to come down here. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's go back to the hour chart. Let's go back to the hour chart on Bitcoin. This is coming down slightly. We just hit the new hour at 7 o'clock. So yeah, it's starting to build back up again. Still starting to get back up. But I mean, we hit this next low. That's a pretty big. This will be a gap right here. You can see this right here. This is going to be a gap. This is probably going to drop into this like 103 range because we're going to have to fill this gap. You can see right here. See that gap? That run right there. This gap will get filled, right? So usually when there's a big run, it gets filled up to some degree, and that's what we see right there. So let's see what the 4 hour looks like. Yeah, same here, dude. We'll probably fill this gap right here. We'll be in the 103 range. It could keep going up. I'm not saying it can't keep going up, but eventually you start filling these gaps in a little bit. So there's breaks. I'm not a crypto expert, but seems like it's already pumped a lot. It has, Alex. It has. What's the best chart pattern to look out for? What's the best chart pattern? Well, I mean, like right now, I mean, we're established. We've established 100% across the board. I'm not the only one. We established a bull flag. This is probably one of the best bull flags we've seen in a long time. And this is on a 4 hour chart. You pull it to the 12 hour chart, looks great. And you pull it to the day chart, and that still looks like a mat. Look at that bull flag, dude. That's insane. So if you're looking at the best indicator, like that's as bullish as it gets right there. So usually you break out of these pretty good, but we'll see. RLUSD gets launched tomorrow. Game over, bro. I think we're on for the races. That's my personal opinion, though. I don't know if that's true or not, but we're on like Donkey Kong. Let's see here. Thank you so much for the follows over here. Okay, I've been considering so far. I've gotten XRP, XLM, and LCX. Okay, yeah, I can't get LCX here. We have no exchanges that I can get LCX. I probably have to get it on decentralized side. I just haven't done it. Space Open starts today. Go check it out. All right, Michael, I appreciate that. Crazy how that works. Do you have any opinion on NVIDIA stock? I mean, NVIDIA is great. My buddy asked me today, would I choose NVIDIA or Bitcoin? And I told him Bitcoin without question, dude. I would invest in Bitcoin over NVIDIA. Bitcoin, you get a haircut. I got a haircut last week. Yeah, I got a haircut last week. So it's been it's been about a week. You should get a haircut every 2 weeks. Thanks. Does it look good today? Is that what you're telling me? You're telling me it looks good? Appreciate that. Right. I pull up an app and it shows me the mini charts and I'm just like, what the heck? How are all these the same? they look the same, right, Alex? I mean, look, XRP, HBAR, XLM. I mean, dude, this is as bullish as it gets, dude. Even BTC had a nice little, look at this, dude. BTC, they had a nice little flag coming out here and then boom, they broke out. We can go look at ETH. ETH looking pretty dang good too on the day chart. Look at this. I mean, we can zoom in on that bad boy. They had a nice little rally, and then they just kept going up. They didn't even have a bull flag. They just kept going up. So there's a lot of positive things looking at these charts right now. XRP, HBAR, XLM are all going to run together, and they all look really nice. Even from the RSI level, even from the indicators. Again, the only thing that you could probably say is a draw or like is that this one on the day chart. It would be nice to see this 100-day reach. I wish this was coming up a little faster. That's the only thing. This could draw out, right? We could meet up here, and we could be into January before we start to rise. But I mean, January 15th puts us right where the best news we'll have for XRP in quite some time, and that is the extension for their hearing. Hopefully, Gary Gensler puts an extension out there for the Trump administration. Let's see. What's up, 18? What's up, IMO? Good to see you, dude. Anyone waiting for Flare? Yeah, we're all waiting for that. We own that. Big thank you for the help and guidance. Hopefully, we make some money. Heck yeah, Ricardo. That's what we're here for, man. Just to hang out, talk about crypto, talk about where things are, and just check out the charts and build that confidence. So heck yeah. Yes, Austin imposters say You have to trade. Oh, really, Maddie? Are they saying you have imposters? Damn. I'm so far behind on the chat, guys. I'm going to try to catch up. Colton, thank you so much for the $2 donation. Will you be holding HBAR long term or sell? Well, I have a bag. So majority of the cryptos I talk about, I have an established bag, meaning that I've been accumulating these over the years. So, we're talking 2-3 years, if not, probably 2-3 years of building, probably 5 years of building, because I've had Ethereum for quite some time. I mean, Ethereum was the first crypto I purchased. And then it was, Ethereum was the first thing I purchased. And then Dogecoin was the second thing. And that was like right around that, 2020 marker. So Ethereum was like back in 2018, I think is when I first got in. And I was like, man, what's Ethereum? And I bought that. And then, because it was easy to buy. And then, just continue. And then like sort of just like left it there. And then, continued to grow. And so Ethereum's used to be my largest bag. But I as soon as Bitcoin hit that 17K marker and it went up to like $20, I started putting so much money into Bitcoin because I was like, dude, that's a steal. And so then I bought Bitcoin, and it's been great since. So now Bitcoin's my largest bag, Ethereum's my second largest, XRP is my third, and that's kind of where I've been. So hopefully but everything I and then HBAR, and those are all held long term. Like I don't have a decision I haven't made a decision on the sell point on those yet. When I talk about day trade stuff like that, that's just money I threw in there to make some trades and have fun during the bull season, because during the bull season it's really hard to lose. Honestly, like it's crazy. I'm not kidding you, dude. Bull season, everyone sounds like everyone's legit, dude. Everyone's I told you so, I told you so, I told you so. Oh, look at what I've chosen. I mean, that's you'll see that all the time. That'll happen in the crypto space like none other. Everyone's gonna beat their chest and be the next. Who was it? Was it who's the guy that called the top of Bitcoin and was like, oh my God, I can't think of his name. The Hex dude. Why can his name just brain farted on me, dude. What do you think of ICP? Yeah, I like ICP. Easy. Thank you so much for the $7.99. Hey, Austin, new subscriber. Sorry. What are your profit takes on XRP? Great content. Well, today I actually bought HBAR last night, and I only took a dollar. I took $195 off my trade, so didn't make too much off this little this little day trade that I did today. But it varies. I mean, sometimes I take like 200-300. Sometimes I take more. It's kind of almost like feel like it was scalping today because the charts were just not, the indicators were not hitting like they were the past couple days. But as soon as I enter in and we start getting into the green, I start putting in a stop loss on there. And so once we hit to the 30 on HBAR, I was like, stop loss. I'm putting it in at I think I put it in at like 20. I'd have to go back and look. But I put it in. Basically, it was like, hey, I don't want to take less than $200. But after fees, I think it dropped me down to like $195. So I say $195. It's $195. But it's usually, like I said, if you're new to crypto, I wouldn't. You should probably just like buy and just accumulate if you can to some degree, because day trading can be really stressful and it could get really tiring and it'll make you not like crypto if you don't know how to do it. Thank you so much. We have 1,047 people watching right now on YouTube. Thank you so much. And we got some glasses just thrown on me right now. Thank you so much for the sunglasses under the gaff. Is that what it is? Thank you so much for the donation over here on TikTok. Appreciate you guys. Everyone says buy the dip until you bring your average up to losing money. Yeah. That's a DCA technique, right? You want to DCA your way into a position. I would never recommend DCAing in on a meme coin. Again, DCAing on a meme coin is just never do that, please. DCA on blue chips. That's what you want to do. I've been in crypto for a couple of years, but now that it's becoming more mainstream, I feel like the normal cycles will be out. The normal cycle could be out, Chris. I could agree with you. NVIDIA and BTC are in the same ecosystem. Both are really good. Yeah, I'm not saying don't buy NVIDIA. Like, choose what you want to do. I just think if you were to give me $100,000 today, am I going to go put it in NVIDIA or go put it into Bitcoin? And I'm telling you right now, I'd go put it. I personally am going to go put that money into Bitcoin, move it to my ledger, and let it sit there and marinate. Happy I sub. Please keep the XRL video streams going. XRP, it's nice having a community. Yeah, no tribe, I'm with you. Yeah, we definitely will. I put Bitcoin out today, because again, Bitcoin is just, we hit all-time highs. That's record breaking. That's why I did it. It's awesome to, be able to bring in this this amazing day with the A team, dude. I knew I had to stream today because this it's always good to look back on these streams and go, man, we had a nice record breaking day. I hear a lot of speculation. My goal is to ride all the way to the top and cash out. Yeah, that's everyone's goal, Ariel, right? I mean, everyone wants to time the top, but just realize there's only going to be one person that can sell the very top of it, the very top of the market. Only one person's going to sell, and just realize that only one person at the very bottom is going to be able to buy the very bottom. So, yeah, we're all chasing that. I'll tell you that right now. I got 600 HBAR reluctantly since everyone keeps hyping it up. I needed some diversity. Good, dude. Yeah, I bought some HBAR last night too. So, well, and then here I have a buy at 28.5. So we'll see how that carries out. Thank you so much for the rose. I'm so far behind on the chat. If I skip your question, I'm so sorry, dude. Put it in there again if I miss it. Don't keep HBAR on Ledger. It's a pain to get off. Yeah, it kind of is, dude. It kind of is. I'm going to be using some strategies that I use in the stock market. Yeah, if you have a strategy for investing, you should. Michael Saylor's company uses a lot of leverage to buy Bitcoin. They do. There you put 5,000 Canadian tonight if you had it. In what? What time? What are you asking, Thomas? What did it say about the gray sweatshirt? Did I read a gray sweatshirt comment? Maybe I thought I read a gray sweatshirt comment. That's funny, dude. Yes, I'm in a gray sweatshirt today. Could you guys believe it? Holy crap! I'm not wearing a black one. Rat and Ripple have been laid out. Ill pump. How come I have the emoji? Someone donated to you, Alex. Katie, thanks so much for the $2 donation. Price prediction for HBAR in 2025. I think that we're definitely gonna get into the dollar range. I with all their stuff they got going on with the Fed Now stuff, I could see easily into $1, which would basically put it at roughly what $60 billion market cap, which isn't. I mean, I don't think that's unfathomable. It's at what 16? Is that 16 right now? 11. So that puts it at a 30 billion market cap, dude. I think that's easily doable. I mean, that's not even that bad. At some point, the cycle has to utility use case. At some point, it won't be purely speculative volatile run. You're right, Adam. You're right. More people will get into it and it'll do good. DCA stands for dollar cost average, not. It's stupid, the reporter. Oh, dude. Brian Wallace, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of this channel, and I appreciate it a ton. Thank you very, very much. What's the best way to store your HBAR? I mean, you could store it in a non-custodial wallet if you want. You could store it in a cold storage. Yeah, get it onto a cold storage if you can. Man, you stream so much. Super impressed. You're a good guy. Scottish Crypto, I appreciate that. Yeah, I just figured, I went online. I was actually like, hey, dude, like someone in the space has to be out there, like some content creator has to be out there filming right now or putting out, being on a live or something. No one is live right now, dude. I was kind of shocked. I was like, dude, why is no one live? No one's like bringing in this record breaking day. I was kind of shocked, to be honest. I was kind of like, wow. So I'm happy to hop on and just talk about it and hang out and breathe it all in here. That we just witnessed history with Bitcoin, and I couldn't be happier. Honestly, today was a great day for Bitcoin. Let's see here. You're all gonna boo me for this, but I leave it all on the exchanges. It's so much easier. It's okay, man. Hey, do what's best for you, man. I'm again fine. Make sure you have like some insurance on the exchange, like Coinbase offers insurance. Just something like that. I'd feel even a little better about that. I can't stop clicking and buying $10 here and there for all my coins. Whoa, what is that? I just got like a Dance Dance Revolution thing over here. Thank you so much for the donation over here on TikTok. That was awesome. What is that? The Fest Cheers. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, Scott. He uses Ledger Nano. Yeah, I use Ledger for almost everything. I like XRP a lot. Quant. Hey, dude, we got a lot of people in here for Quant. We got Trent. Trent's our Quant guy in here. Yeah, your HBAR and Jasmine are doing so well, all because of Space Chick Crypto. I miss her so much. I'm with you, Scottish Crypto. I miss her a lot too, dude. She's a really, really good person. Really, really good people, dude. Yeah. That's awesome to hear that you got in for her. Kudos to that, dude. Yeah. I think about her, man. I still have her on my Telegram. I still see my last messages with her, and I'm like, gosh, dang, dude. So And long-term altcoins will plummet against BTC. Yeah, you're right. I mean, but the thing is, the altcoin season, what happens is when Bitcoin starts ripping like that, money will flow back into these altcoins. So, hey, Northwest Treasure, thanks so much for gifting 5 AT memberships to the 5 people that you have down below. If Northwest Treasure has actually donated these members to you, please say thank you to him. And for this, and I like I said, I really appreciate your donation to the channel on this. And yeah, we got 5 new members to the A team, so thank you very, very much for that. Really appreciate it. And we got that guy coming in again with another $5 or 5 gifted memberships as well. Terry, thank you so much, man. I don't know if your finger, happy today or trigger happy today with it, but I do appreciate you a ton, bro, for gifting 5 more of these 18 memberships over here. So again, if the Terry gifted you guys a membership, please say thank you to him as well. You guys are freaking awesome, dude. I think we're almost to like 1,200 members in the A team right now, which is I would have never thought that we were going to get to that level of memberships. I think we're roughly at, as of today, we're at 1,166, which is just crazy to think. I couldn't be more happy. I mean, like, that's insane, dude. So when the Discord opens up, that means that we'll be roughly, 1,166 people will be able to enter the Discord, which would be pretty cool. Bro, altcoin season, bull run, when does it start? And clarity on that start and end date. Well, I think it's already started. So altcoin season's already started. You can see it with this massive run in XRP and HBAR. So I just think that we're in for another run. So meaning that we're going to continue to make this run happen. Usually altcoin seasons extends beyond when Bitcoin starts to fall. So even if Bitcoin goes up, hits their all-time high and starts to come down, altcoin season extends beyond that. So that's when you'll see altcoin season and Memecoin season continue to extend beyond it. And actually, that's where a lot of people make money in these altcoins. So brand new to this space. What is HBAR? HBAR is Hedera, Marlon. It is a hash graph. Oh, thank you so much for the donation over here. Dang, dude, what is that? The Rockstar? Dude, that is crazy looking. Holy crap. Thank you so much, Jeff, for the Rockstar donation. Dude, that was crazy looking. That was like an Elvis looking thing. Dude, TikTok's got some crazy stuff over here with their donations. But getting back to here, HBAR is really it's a hash graph, and so really what their whole goal is it's like a peer-to-peer. It's a really fast, secure network, and it's peer-to-peer. Their goal is to be peer-to-peer for payment solutions. And so like DApps is another one that's working with the Fed now, that's using the HBAR hash graph to make these transactions happen at a peer-to-peer level. So yeah, it's really cool. And HBAR is working with the Fed now for their solutions, so it's kind of cool. And that's why a lot of us, I think, like it, because of the direction of where HBAR is going to, where it's going and where we think it can go in the future. That guy's back. He's awesome. Heck yeah, dude. Can you show the chart on Flare? Yeah, we can pull up Flare real quick. Where is my Flare? I just saw it right there. Yeah, Flare's starting to come back into the positive right here. So again, looking good, dude. It's not a bad looking chart. This is a really good looking chart. Like, Flare's exciting. Look at that. It's day charts down here. The RSI on the 12's looking fine, and the 4 hours coming down. I mean, this isn't looking too bad. So yeah, I'm digging Flare right now, dude. I think a lot of us here on the channel own Flare. So yeah, we'll continue to support this. If you are using Ledger, test moving off. Yeah, what works? Go through the list and only store those that are fully supported. Yes, definitely take RS Miller's advice here for that. Just be careful. I mean, Ledger can be. Just be careful. Weird. What? But it's exponentially after $3. Yeah, it's going to move up. XRP is long term, but definitely XRP is long term. I want to top that with the Atlas. Okay. How can you buy Bitcoin and Coinbase has a limit on your daily spend? Yeah, you're going to have to continually build up that daily spend, Mikey. Like I said, I think I worked through like 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. I think, like I said, I'm sitting at like I could buy like 250,000 in one day on Bitcoin, or sorry, on Coinbase. I think it's a rolling 24-hour window, and I think I could do up to 250,000. So I've and that's through transferring back and forth from bank account to here. So I mean, I think they get a good grasp on where you're at. So you'll have to continually purchase on there to be able to raise your level. I go from live stream to live stream. That's good. Hey man, you gotta find people that you like and stick with it. How high can you see HBAR getting this cycle? I mean, I definitely see HBAR. I want HBAR. I don't, whether it's going to get there, I don't know, but I want to get HBAR into the top 10. So getting into the top 10 puts it about that $24 trillion or $24 billion market cap. I think, and as this will all rise, right? Every level rises, but I want to see it in that level. That's just me personally. So yeah. Andy Munez, thanks so much for the $5. Is setting up reoccurring daily purchases for crypto a bad idea? I'm just running a spend of 25 daily, different cryptos. Is that dumb? No, dude. People do that all the time, man. People do that all the time. They'll just, hey, you know what? I'm going to put 25 bucks a day in XRP, or I'm going to put 25 bucks a day in HBAR, and I don't care where the price is. I'm going to continually add to my bag. That is, again, that's a strategy that a lot of people do. And, if you have the money to do it, I don't think it's a bad strategy, again, when the top comes, just prepare to take profits and, so that you're not riding it back down. That's all that really matters. What price prediction do you have for ETH? I always said that ETH was going to get to 10,000, but a lot of people were saying that ETH's only going to get to about 6,000 to 8,000. I'm like, that seems kind of low, but I mean, even if it were to go up 100% right now, it puts it at roughly at a $1 trillion market cap. So and that puts it at basically an $8,000, and so yeah, I could probably see it get to that, But Andy, thanks again for the $5. I really appreciate the donation to the channel, dude. All coin bull season when it's starting to end. Yeah, I think I just answered that. Yeah, definitely say thank you. No, it's a smart why it's dumb. XRP is cheap right now. XRP was cheap at 51 cents, dude. 30 cents, 45 cents. I mean, I can go through it. It was, yeah. You the man. Appreciate you, Thumper's World. Thank you, dude. Awesome Austin, there's EIS only live streams coming out at 9 p.m. Arizona time. I don't even know if I know who that is. RS Miller. Love your Tangent. Yeah, Tangent's probably good. JJ, thanks so much for the $5. How much would my bag be if I put $1,000 in Bitcoin when it was at 60K? So you put $1,000 at Bitcoin with 60K, it's up roughly. Well, here I'll pull the math. I mean, that's roughly almost 100%. So you're probably at roughly like 80% if I had to take a quick guess. So let's see. You said 60. If you bought it at 60,000. So if you bought it at 60,000, you put $1,000 in, you'd be up 74. I said 80. So 74. So yeah, you'd be up. If you put $1,000 in there, you'd be up about $740. So to some, that's like that's not that much, but I mean, yeah, I think that's $700 in a month. You made $700 in a month off that rise. So, I mean, that's pretty damn good, right? Was it a month? A little over a month. You made $700. So, yeah, and XRP. What's crazy is XRP. If you put $1,000 in there, you'd be up $3,000. Big differences here. If you were to buy at the same level as where Bitcoin went up at that price, you bought it at 51. And then where we're at right now, you'd be up roughly $3,000 right now, $3,301 if you would have got the same level down here at for XRP, which was the same price, right? So it was $60,000 for Bitcoin right down here before Trump got inaugurated or before Trump got elected, and then now, I mean, that's where it took off for XRP, and so it's crazy when you look at it like that. Yeah, almost 2K. That price prediction you have for ETH. Putting my very first swing trade, it was HBAR at 289. Still riding it to find the next 0.32. All right, so you just did it right now, Brian Wallace? All right, let's track it, buddy. So yeah, you're down slightly right now, just a little bit, but yeah, let's track it. I'm gonna wait for. I'll probably wait for the night. Like I said, I think it's gonna get. I think it's gonna get down to the 2. I'll probably trigger. I hope I trigger my 285. My 285 level, which again, it's tested this area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the last basically the last like probably the last 4 days. It's tested this area on multiple occasions. So I was like, you know what? Plus, if you go back here, it's tested it again. So this 2.8 level, 2.85, 2.83 level seems to be pretty on point with HBAR. So I just put a buy order in for that, and if it hits, it hits. Spaceship was my best friend in the space. We were even born on the exact same day, only an hour apart. Oh my gosh, dude. Scottish. Yeah, that's tough, bro. But I'm holding. Yeah, dude. Yeah, do it, man. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough, dude. It was tough. I was pretty sad. I'll be honest with you, dude. I was pretty sad about it. Preach. Thanks so much for gifting 5 more memberships to the A team. Thank you very much. We have now got 5 more new members to the A team. If Preach donated to you those 5 memberships, please say thank you to him, to them. Yeah, just really, really appreciate the donations coming in for the memberships, dude. You guys are freaking awesome. Yeah. How is HBAR at? HBAR is currently at 28834. So yeah, we'll continue to ride this. Can you explain limit price and stop? Well, limit's just like where you set the limit on it. So you're like, hey, I want to buy it. Like, I just want to buy it. We'll just take Bitcoin. Like, I'm going to buy at 104,000. And so you'll put a limit in there for 104. You'll put it for 104.5. You can set your limits, where you want to buy it. You can set a buy limit. You can set a sell limit. And so when I say a stop, like a stop is like you go in there and you say, okay, if it hits this number, I want to put a stop loss in there so that like I don't lose past that. So let's just say you go on a rally from 104,000 to 107. People are going to move their stop loss up to like 106. So let's just say they bought at 100,000 for Bitcoin, and it went all the way up to 107,000. So there's 7,000 in profits off that one Bitcoin, and they don't want to take less than say 6,000 on that trade. So what they'll do is they'll put a stop loss in at 106 or 106, 106.25 or whatever they want to, so they don't get, so they could try to beat out other limits and stuff like that. And then they'll take their profits. They don't have to actually be at a computer pushing the button. It'll just trigger it and it'll sell. So you actually have your actual price of what you want, and then you have to put a limit down below so that if it comes way past yours and it didn't actually trigger the sell, then you have another limit that will hit it. So yeah, just be careful, because we had someone on stream. They put the wrong one in, and they ended up losing they ended up selling their Doge on accident too soon. So just be careful with it. Bro, is it possible to set up a call with you from Dubai? When I get on my Discord, I could probably get on there and talk with people for sure. But Austin, do you think we're gonna get another entry point for XRP around the 220 based on the 20? I mean, we've been hovering around this price on XRP for, dude, that 220 marker. Let's see. We can just look at it real quick. I mean, we've hit the 220 in the past. Let's just go to the day chart here. Day chart's a lot easier to look at. So last time we hit the 220 marker was back here, obviously on this liquidation event. And we got down to this one right here, got down to 222, which was back on December 11th, Wednesday, December 11th, which was 4 days ago. Then we had the liquidation event here. But I mean, that's a tough one, because like that just is like a crazy liquid. Like people were that was a manipulation in the market. So, but it still counts. So, I mean, that's like 5 days ago. And right now, I mean, I don't know, dude. I'm not looking, there's not going to be a major pullback. That would be roughly from where it's at right now, that would put it at roughly, I put it at about an 8% pullback. I don't know. I mean, when we do start to have pullbacks, they could get to there, but I just don't see any reason in the market right now. There's too much good news for XRP, but I don't know, man. Like I said, I'm not Nostradamus. I can't tell you, but I mean, a lot of people are calling the 220 level. Maybe I'm not seeing it. Maybe again, if we have a flash sell like this, or a manipulation in the market, yeah. But if everything's going right now how it's supposed to, I just don't see it. But again, call me crazy. I just don't see it. But I'm not, again, I could be wrong. I'm not sitting here saying I'm 100% right with everything. You think it's good? Yeah. Bro, what do you think of XRP will be at the end of the bull run? I'm hoping like 7 to 10. I'm hoping like $7 to $10, Karen. Is a utility coin price action moves about the same? Yeah, so yeah, it's considered. Yeah, they'll all usually work the same. A lot of people are calling this cycle to end probably around August of 2025 to September of 2025. So probably beginning of Q4 of 2025. But again, it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out, because we have a lot of you got Trump coming into office. You got a whole new administration that's pro crypto. We're going to be getting some of the largest tax cuts that we've had. So there's going to be more money coming in. Hopefully we're driving inflation down, which brings more money into people's pockets. It'll be a very interesting next 12 months, dude. But I am on a 4-year. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm on a 4-year plan. I think that I personally believe that we could hit a super cycle, which means that we're going to be on a continual growth pattern for the next, anywhere from 2 to 3 years. Call me crazy. That's fine. I guess that's where I'm just super bullish with that. And I think that we're setting ourselves up to be in a really, really good run. We're trying to bring jobs back to America, giving tax cuts to employers. We're trying to do a lot of things that could benefit Americans for the first time. So, we're obviously going to be cutting costs at the government, which could cause inflation to go down. And we're not going to be printing a bunch of money because we're going to be cutting the budget, cutting the losses. I don't know, man. It's going to be a wild year, and I'm here for it, dude. Like, I'm super bullish about 2025 going into 2026. So we'll see, dude. We will see. And the other thing too is I think Trump's personality is he's not a loser, like he's a winner, and so he's not going to come in and be known as the person who tanked America's economy. Like, I just don't think that he wants everything to be the greatest, the best, and he'll always say that, and so he'll always do that. And I feel that he will put America first, and I think that includes crypto. I think crypto will massively prosper from this. So that $15 trillion, the video the morning we talked about this morning with the $15 trillion. Yeah, I do think that that's probably. I don't think that that's pie in the sky. I don't think that's pie in the sky at all. Death makes up for the fact that you can't perfectly time the market. You get the average price, which typically does better than the rest. I agree, Hog. Yeah, I would agree with you. I learned so much from this weekend from you, bro. Oh, Jam, I appreciate that. Yeah, dude. We're all here, man. And I think a lot of us are doing pretty good overall. A lot of us got in early to these projects, so I think a lot of us are doing pretty good. Shannon, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, dude. You think XRP could hit 5? I do. A lot of people, hey, Alex, a lot of people were saying that that XRP could hit $5 on the release of RLUSD. Some people are saying that's crazy. That's absurd. It's already baked into the price. I don't know. I just don't think that. I guess, again, I'm a little more positive with it. What do you think of XRP will go back down to at the end of the bull run? Probably its previous high, Karen, 68,000. But again, we never had an ETF back then. We won't have. This will be the first time we ever have crypto regulation or some guardrails in place. I don't know. We're making a reserve now for it, so it might not come back down to 68,000. Some people will say it will, but I mean, we've never made a national reserve for it. So now you're going to have which means you're going to have the government buying up Bitcoin, using it to buy up and make a national reserve, just like we do with gold. Then you're going to have people like Russia, people like China, all them doing the same exact thing. It might not come back down to 68,000, dude. We might never see a sub 100,000 again on Bitcoin. You know what I mean? And if it hits, they're saying that if Trump pumps $15 trillion worth of money into Bitcoin, we'll be at a $500,000 Bitcoin. And so the chances of it coming back down to 68,000, that's gone. It's never going to happen again. Yeah, I like VeChain. I like Cardano. They're both slow movers. So yeah, passing through. When I talk to my parents about this is why they explain why the price will go up. I need a sophisticated. When I talk to my parents about this, they always ask me to explain why the price would go up. Well, it's scarcity. It's all based off of supply and demand, right? Bitcoin's supply is going down. There's only a fixed amount. It's just like with gold, you can go find more gold. With a lot of the other resources, you can go find new resources, which cause the prices to go down. But it's just a simple economics. If there's more demand and less supply, the price is going to go up. If there's more supply and less demand, the price is going to go down, right? So right now with Bitcoin, we know we're shrinking. Every 4 years, it cuts in half on how much Bitcoin's out there. So right now there's 54 million Bitcoin being mined every day. And people are fighting over that. And every 4 years, it's going to get decreased. So now there's only going to be, like I said, 24 million Bitcoin fought over every day. But you got to think, we're talking like governments are buying this now. We got institutions, banks buying this, World Bank's buying this. I mean, people are buying this up. Retail investors are buying it. So yeah, this is going to, there's only 21 million Bitcoin in the world. So just think of it that way. That's why Bitcoin's been that's why people bought Bitcoin. The scarcity of it's going to get stronger and stronger. Like I said, in 16 years from now, Bitcoin's going to be we're going to be trading the satoshis. We're not even going to be talking full Bitcoins. We're going to be talking satoshis. Ike Diesel, thanks so much for the $2. Polymath is a tear again. Pissed I didn't buy. Is it killing it right now? Oh man. Yeah, that does suck. Hopefully you wait for the dip and buy some more, man. Let's see. Shannon, thanks so much for the $10 super sticker. Appreciate that a ton. Ike, again, thank you so much for the $2. Appreciate both of you for donating to the channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you very much. My trigger is about to hit with HBAR right now, 28648. So we're about to come back down and hit my price. Sir, new to crypto, can you give me an altcoin to start investing in? I mean, we're talking about right now HBAR, XRP, XLM. I think those are all very well established ones that I feel confident with for sure. XRP crab walks to 0.6 forever. It's 4x from that and crab walking again. Not for long. This week will be, yeah, I think we're going to be, Zilla, I am so ready for this week. If RLUSD launches, oh my gosh, dude. If you were putting in $1,000 in today and letting it ride for a while, what would you think would have the biggest return? I mean, I like I said, I'm right now I'm kind of sold with XRP. I mean, we've been talking about HBAR, XRP. Those ones are kind of my babies right now. They've already made me a lot of money, and I continue to ride them. So it's kind of hard to like like I said, Bitcoin. It's doing really well right now. It's outperforming the market. So yeah, that's good. VeChain's good. When you gain, what percent or how do you calculate how much you take your profits? Just find White Rabbit, just find what makes you happy, right? Find what your profits are. I'm okay. Like I said, I made $195 today. It wasn't the biggest trade, but I still walked away positive, and I was like, hey man, that's more than I had earlier today. So it's just a matter of not trying to be greedy with your profit taking. I'm not greedy with it, dude. Like I'm okay with $200. I'm okay with $300. I'm okay with $50, dude. I don't want to lose money, so I try to put myself in positions to win. And yeah, and if that price would have came back down, I probably would have DCA'd into my position to try to gain this back. You know what I mean? So yeah, you just got to play what's best for you in your position. Sorry, I'm a little bit behind. I'm like 10 minutes behind. The life saving in stocks. Please say I like talking about stocky walkie. That's wild. Thanks so much for the $2 donation. I don't even know what that means, but yeah. Thanks so much for the $2. I had a feeling 220 today is going to be hard to get back to. Yeah, I'm having a hard time with it too. Are we having aliens invade? I don't know, Maddie B. You tell me. Joe Baker, thanks for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team, and I really, really appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. This is my favorite casino. Notre Dame says something smells. JJJ, thanks so much for the $5. Been DCing into Chronos $20 a day. How you feel about that? I think Chronos is gonna do. I mean, it's gonna come back, dude. It's not the most sexiest play out there right now, but obviously it's a top crypto. It's performed very well even last time in the market. I hope that they just get back to what a lot of people were doing with them. I think, unfortunately, during this last market, they fell pretty far. Where is Crow now, dude? Shoot, I don't even know where Crow's at now. I mean, they're a blockchain, they're an exchange. 33. Yeah, they're still sitting at 4.7 billion. I mean, they're not even close to their all-time high. You know what I mean? And or their market cap. Look at that. They're up to a 20 billion market cap. They still have room to run. I mean, this is that blockchain's still out there running, dude. That blockchain's still out there and it's still to be used. I just think that they have to make it to they have to really try to make it to why people need to go there and create on it. That's the only downside is no one has really created on there or brought liquidity to the blockchain. So, we'll see how it works out. Hopefully they get some more people there to start building on the blockchain. That's really what it comes down to. But it's a safe bet for sure. I think a crypto realist when I think about it, because he, obviously that was like his big baby. So, you think it will reach $1? What will reach $1? XLM or HBAR? We got about 1,151 people watching right now. Appreciate you guys all being here on this Sunday evening, Sunday morning. I don't know where you're from, but I mean, Sunday evening for me. Thank you guys for spending the time here and watching this. Again, I decided I'd come on and stream because just, it's history in the making. So Bob Plain, thank you so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and I really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Majid, thank you so much for the donation to the channel, bro. Q1, is it possible to step up a call with you? 2, when does the altcoin season end? Will we expect a huge spike in altcoins? Love from Dubai. Hey, I appreciate the donation to the channel. Yes. So Q1, is it possible to set up a call with me? Yes, we could talk when I get my Discord up and running. We could definitely set up a call on there and talk on there. That would probably be the most ideal situation. And then Q2, when will the altcoin season end? Like I said, usually the ending of altcoin season is after the end of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin will sort of hit its peak and come back down. People will be taking their profits. They will move them over to altcoins. Altcoin season will run. People from altcoins will then take it from the altcoin season. They'll move it into meme coins. Meme coins will continue to run. And then we'll have this bear market where everyone's fighting over shorting and trying to find positions. Accumulation phase will go out for about 2 years. And then we should get back into the run of things. But when that happens, I don't know. I don't think anyone out here has actually called the top yet, because I think there's just too much going on. We got a new administration coming in. We got a new head of the SEC. We got, people talking about making a reserve for crypto. We got ETFs coming in. There's just so much going on that I don't think that even people that are trying to say, oh, it's going to happen in 2025, I don't know if they're actually like 100% confident in that at all. So yeah, hopefully I answer your question. Thanks so much for the donation to the channel. I do appreciate that a ton. Let's remember what happened a lot. They brought aliens in 20. You guys are watching this alien. Elise, thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. You are officially now a member of the A team. I do appreciate that a ton. It's good to see the memberships grow, the members of the channel grow, and super excited to see where this goes. And again, thank you very much for that. Let's see over here. You think XLM is going to reach $1? It has a good opportunity for sure. In your opinion, do you know any good decentralized exchanges? Well, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. You can just go into Uniswap. You can do a lot. I mean, but that's probably your best decentralized exchange, depending on what you're trying to trade on. Crypto Santa Claus, he's a billionaire dude. What does it matter when he's bankrupt? All right, let's see if I can try to catch up to the chat here. Sorry if I missed some of your guys' thing. Backflip, thanks for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you very, very much for being here. Backflip, new member of the channel. That is awesome. This is going to be an amazing week. I think so too. It's going to be an amazing week. If I missed your comments, I'm going to scroll down and try to catch up to the chat, guys. We are chatty tonight. I used to play a bit of the casino, but since then, it's very rare. Yeah, I only do parlays here and there now. I don't do a whole lot. I'm new to crypto. Does IO look like it's getting ready to... I don't even know if I know what that is. Discord going to be lit. Discord will be fun, man. There was already a conspiracy that when a hunter needs a distraction, they bring out... That's pretty crazy. Don't touch meme coins, anyone. Xenu got my ass back in the day. Oh, right. Yeah. Those will get you, man. They come out of nowhere, dude. They get you all hyped up, and then they sweep out from underneath you. We don't control the forecast of the market. Whatever you think they will do is the opposite. Makes sense. Yeah, usually that's what happens. There's someone that's always a step ahead of you. Some people are 50 steps ahead of you. Michael Saylor is 50 steps ahead of everyone. Discord banned me from discussing alternate natural treatment during... Oh, man. Really, Papa Don? Dang, dude. That's crazy, bro. Thanks so much for the $2. Another $2 for you if you buy Fartcoin. We talked about that today, dude. That's just wild that was actually all over CNBC. I was kind of blown away by that. I'll be honest with you. I was not expecting that to be like top of their list of things to talk about on CNBC this morning when I opened it up. Thanks again for the $2 to the channel. Life savings. They're looking for a nuclear... But aliens is a cooler story. That's true, right? It is a cooler story. What do you think of Shiba Swap? Dude, I used to be big into Shiba Swap, dude. So I used to stake on there. I used to stake for Bone. And then that was when I was going through the whole staking phase and learning about staking. Then like the whole Bone thing happened. So I staked for Bone, and then I recovered my Bone. And then obviously I was excited for Shibarium to launch. That thing was wasn't the greatest day for the launches. And then I just eventually sold my Bone. So yeah, it's cool. Shiba Swap's cool. It's just an Ethereum, a place to swap on Ethereum side. I haven't used it since I took off all my Bone after staking it on there. So yeah, kind of an interest. I don't know, man. I don't even... Do people still use Shiba Swap? I'd like to know if people still do. I think Turbo 10x. That's tough, dude. Do you think Turbo X and hit Robinhood? I don't know if it's gonna hit Robinhood. The aliens want it on XRP. It's a good time to buy Helium Mobile for a swing trade. Helium Mobile has been a little rough lately, dude. It's gone. Wow, it's up 2.5% right now. Wow, go Helium. Look at this consolidation on Helium Mobile. Again, this is the DGen play. I don't think, invest at your own risk right here. This is a ranked 400 plus. It's like I think it has like 100 million. I don't know. It's like $108 million market cap. So this not a whole lot, but I mean, this is definitely consolidated. It's gone up. It's come down. It's been hanging out here. So the 4-hour chart's looking all right, I guess. 12 hours coming back up. Day chart's looking a little down. So yeah, it's I don't know, man. This is the interesting one. So it's not again. I own it because I've owned it for a while. But yeah, today would I buy into it? I'd have a hard time. XRP hit to the 239. Oh, I'm about to hit my my purchase right here on HBAR. It's 2857. So yeah, we're probably gonna see some positions getting acquired here, dude. This will be interesting. All right, let's see if this actually hits. 28613. You have Guns in America, shizzle them drones. What's your price on ETH? Where do I think ETH is going to go? I think 8,000's easy. I mean, I think we could definitely get there. Did you watch the English Premier League today? Man, I did not watch it. That's crazy. They lost though. Do people make SHIB content? Yeah, there's probably people out there. Probably the same people that make Shiba content are probably still making it. I put my SHIB on ShibaSwap and never touched it. Damn, Jack. You still have it on there, Jack? Jack A? I'm still killing. Why is HBAR so difficult to move to a cold storage? It's just one of those things, dude. ETH needs to go away. It can't handle current day activities. That's true, Sam. ETH is different, dude. Is there a way to buy into lithium stock? Yeah, probably. You could probably go on the stock market. There's probably some lithium stuff out there. Is there insurance options on Coinbase? Yeah, there's insurance options. You have to pay $299 for the insurance option. ADA is a slow mover, Alex. ADA is a slow mover. You'll learn that real quick, dude. I was a big ADA person, and then I was like, why is this thing so slow moving, dude? When everything else is going crazy, ADA's still just slowly doing its thing. Yeah. What's better than Coinbase? Nothing for me, dude. I'm a Coinbase. I'm Coinbase through and through. Corey, I don't know if I know what that is. I don't. Is that something? Is that a blockchain or a type of blockchain? What's up, William? Well, hello. Looks like I missed a lot of work today. Oh yeah, you're good. We just hit all-time highs with Bitcoin, dude. Bitcoin is obviously looking really good. It's come down over the last the day, the 12-hour chart. It's come down pretty hot, right? Back down to 104, went all the way up to 106. HBAR is flirting with the trigger. Yeah, it's right there, dude. It's almost there. I'm about to hit it. Turbo team has announcement Tuesday. All right. Be interesting to see what that is. Perfectly bull flag. Yeah, there's some good bull flags coming up here. HBAR moved to Tangem. All right, there you go. Right there. Tangem wallet makes it easy. Let's see. Do you think Brett or Peanut will come to Coinbase? I think Peanut's already on there, isn't it? Didn't Peanut already get listed on Coinbase? I thought it did. I thought Peanut was already on Coinbase. I haven't looked, but I thought I heard something saying it did. What do you think of Crow? I think Crow's going to do well. They just have to make it to why people will go there again. I mean, I don't own any Crow. I probably won't buy any at this time, but doesn't mean it's bad. It's just not my focus. Happy Cat. Who's Happy Cat? Do you think Compound crypto? What do you think about Compound? I like Compound. Compound's good. I think it's going to do well. When are you buying HBAR? I put my limit order in at 285. 285 is where I put it in. So we got a ways to go. Peanut was on Coinbase 2 days ago and has disappeared. Oh, really? They took it off Coinbase? Oh wow, that's crazy, dude. They ended up taking it off. Ada Banju? Damn, how does that happen? Crow has very little. What's up, Rob? Good to see Rob in the house here. Another person. I said one of the very few people I actually met in real life. Rob is awesome, dude. I can't wait to one day eat his barbecue. Big time barbecuer. Dude, his photos looked awesome. Big time barbecuer, dude. And yeah, met him in real life, dude. Awesome guy. Hopefully we meet up again sometime. Oh, because we walked down. Were you with us the night when we walked down 6th Avenue? Was that the night we were together? We were hanging out. Was it that night? Maybe it was a different night. Maybe it was just me and Augie the other night. I can't remember. But that was that place is crazy. What do you think of Acro Quilbro? I don't know. Understood what would be the best way to reach out respectfully. His Discord when it opens to public. Yeah, we talk. Yeah, when Discord opens up. Coinbase lawsuit has me sketching. I don't have cold wallet yet. Yeah, find that. Oh, you missed that night? Okay. Yeah, that was the night. I was telling him that's the night where I had my KDs on, dude, and I was like, oh man, I should not be down here. Let's see, Anthony. I scored good entry on the COW. Okay, that's good, Corey. I just ordered the Nano Plus S Plus Ledger. Okay, good backflip. I like that. I think LCC will be a strong utility adoption. Litecoin, I like Litecoin as a mineable crypto. As far as like its use case down the road, I've always struggled with outside of being mineable. So, yeah. Let's see. How do you feel about using stock literally anything? I don't even know if I know what that is. Putting a warning before scam promising to double your crypto. Yeah, Daniel. Do not click on scams. Please do not click on scams before the video, dude. Are there any courses you recommend to learn about crypto? Honestly, dude, I think if you just find a good people on crypto, there's a lot of people out there on YouTube on these spaces that are good people that talk about crypto, talk about how to look at it. I think just find the people that you like and just slowly learn. Get onto X. There's people out there that talk about crypto on spaces and things like that. And so like that's how I learned. I didn't go take courses or anything like that. My dad did though. My dad took courses on it, and he actually really liked it. So I think you go either way, dude. You don't have to lie for an NSA algorithm. They can't claim any sole proprietorship. It's going to fail at 139. Dang, Sacred Terra. Killing my dreams, dude. You're killing my dreams. Scams are the greedy ones. Scams are for the greedy ones. Yeah. I hear $1 billion lawsuit and I get nervous. It's over wrapped BTC. And the person who's suing him is good old the creator of, oh my god, why did I brain fart his name? Justin Sun, the creator of Tron. So that's what it is. They delisted wrapped Bitcoin, and by delisting wrapped Bitcoin, it caused wrapped Bitcoin to decrease, which obviously Tron had a significant amount of wrapped Bitcoin, and it basically like almost liquidated the market somehow, and that's what he lost millions of dollars over it. So he's suing Coinbase over the losses of which he got from them delisting wrapped Bitcoin. And since they did that, it flooded caused fear and uncertainty and doubt in the market. And so that's what he's suing them for. And you can see the dispute on, I put out a comment on there, the dispute between them. I'm like, dude, it doesn't look like Tron's going to get listed on Coinbase anytime soon because of that. So you spoke about mining a little earlier. What would make it worth it for you to get involved? Dude, Alex, mining's tough. It's gotten even harder, dude. But yeah, I mean, you have to go out and you got to buy the correct miners. I have, like I said, I got a little bit into the mining of helium when I got the Bobcat, and then the Bobcat miner. And then I wanted to get more into mining, but it just seemed like so much work. Discover Crypto and BitLab Academy are pretty good to learn from. Okay, that's a good one, Frankie Candles. There you go. Rob got it, pulled it up there. Those, yeah, definitely some good spots to learn from. Oops, I just clicked on the wrong one. There you go. 55% profit. All right, damn. You're shorting it right now? Okay. Who's suing? So you have here, I'll pull it up. I haven't even talked about anything that I was gonna show here. We've just been freaking talking on right here. I want to talk about this RL USD stablecoin increase in demand for XRP. I definitely want to talk about that before I get off. Someone asked me to talk about the Bank of America thing. So we'll talk about that too. But let's go to X here real quick. There is a tweet out there on X from Paul from Coinbase, and he's I think I put a reply out there. Let's see. No, let's see. Maybe I put out a tweet. Let's just do posts. Yeah, right here. So you have Justin's son coming out here, and it says this is who put the lawsuit on them. It says when an asset no longer meets our listing standard, we will drop it. When another and this is over the lawsuit right here. Justin's son, Connected Bit Global, sues Coinbase for delisting Wrap BTC and launching competitor. So he sues them for it. So then you have right here, you have Paul. If you guys don't know, he's the chief legal officer for Coinbase. He's the one that's all over the headlines for when the Wells notices came in during the whole debacle. So, obviously Paul weighed in on it. He said, when an asset no longer meets our listing standards, we will drop it. When another asset can meet or exceed market requirements without sacrificing those standards, we will list it. Thank you, Bit Global, for the chance of showing this to a U.S. federal court and on the entire global stage. And so then what happens? You have Justin's son coming out here saying, well, it seems that Coinbase CEO doesn't agree with your perspective. Who has the final say at Coinbase? And so, that's sort of where it goes, right? And then you're like, okay, so what's the next thing that's said? He goes, well, it seems that you are conveniently ignoring that our standards require safety and legality, as set out plainly in the text you yourself cite. I look forward to your deposition under oath in California. No need to bring your banana. And then Brian Armstrong down below goes, laugh out loud. So you got the CEO. They're straight trolling, dude. Like, oh my gosh, I'm going, damn, dude. And so I was just like, I just said, I think it's safe to say that Tron will no longer get listed on Coinbase. In my opinion, this is a major blow to TRX holders. Regardless of the argument, this is not good. So yeah, it was just that's kind of how the whole thing transpired, and they're just straight trolling him, like, don't bring your banana. Like, god dang, dude, they really had to do that to him like that. They really had to do the guy like that. But it doesn't look good for Justin's son. I don't think so. Like, hey, dude, like, we are an exchange. Like, we're an exchange, dude. We can choose to do what we want on our exchange. Like, who are you to tell us what we can and can't list? Like, if something's not looking that great, we're going to delist it. If there's a security issue with it, or it looks like it's going to hurt people, we're going to delist it. It's up to us to decide. And so it's just crazy to me that then he comes back and is like, well, who makes the final say? And it's like, who cares who the final say is? This is our policy, and this is what we stuck to. And unfortunately for you, you had a lot of money invested in there. That's not our fault. That's your fault. You know what I mean? So we'll see what happens in under the deposition. It'll be talk about some spicy news breaking. That will be fun to watch. F Tron, that's hilarious. But yes, sorry for the Tron holders. Me too. I feel bad for that's why. So there was a reason I made a video back in the day about this whole thing, about why I didn't like Justin's son from the get-go. And again, it's nothing against Tron holders. I think it's mostly against Justin's son. And so I made this video about why the death spiral is coming. I actually put this video out there on YouTube, and I really it. You can see right here, back in the day, I called this out, dude. Tron DAO to withdraw 2.5 billion TRX from Binance. Will Justin's son be able to save Tron and protect USDD from depeg? And as you guys know, USDD is no longer in existence. You can't even use USDD because it's an algorithmic stablecoin that he used. And look at it, it's depeg. Well, I guess it's still out there. Crap, it's still out there being used, which is just wild. It's depeg though. It's sitting at 9983. So I mean, it's not really. It's really for himself to use to shuffle money through. Is really what it comes down to. But I made a video about it. I still stand by it to this day. Nothing against him. I just think that it's kind of it's just one of those times in the space, and it's nothing against the guy. Like I said, it's just the situation sucks. And it kind of puts a bad taste in your mouth, especially when you start suing people because you don't like what they did. Have you think about the burn of XRP escrow? I have not heard. I did hear something about that. So, but yeah, cry harder, dude. That's so crazy, right? Well, I mean, they were just like, damn, they just like really put it to the guy. I feel kind of bad, dude. He didn't say anything. He probably just walked away going, dang, dude. Wouldn't buy Tron with a 10-foot pole. I think a lot of people feel the same way. I think it's been there in the top 10. You can't argue that Tron has been a big player in this space. I mean, it's kind of crazy. Have you heard anything about a burn? Yeah, I didn't. How does the blockchain compare to Coinbase? Thinking about switching over. I really like. Well, the blockchain is Coinbase is a centralized exchange. Then you have a decentralized exchange, which is just the blockchain. So when you move your stuff over to Coinbase, they have their own, like they basically have their own blockchain over there, which is why you can't see transactions because it's under a centralized exchange. It's under a ledger. Have you heard of someone hacking a ledger live? No one's hacked the ledger, dude. I don't think the ledger's been hacked at all. I think that stands true. So yeah, so that's really what it comes down to is the Coinbase has a centralized exchange. Your money goes over there, it's theirs. If you move it over to the decentralized side, it's on the blockchain, which then you can see. So what are your top altcoins for the alt season? XRP, HBAR, XLM. We can go down the list over here. Obviously I have Helium's one of my little, kind of crazy plays. Filecoin's one of them. Yeah, ETH. I want to say, dude, I can't remember. I haven't looked at my wallet. I should probably look at my wallet. I have another wallet out there. I think I still have some Doge. I think I sold it. That one still lingers there. I think I still have a little bit, but I have to go back and look. That one I don't know. I don't have a lot of it, like a couple $100 probably. Coinbase has been locking people's accounts. Don't trust Justin in Coinbase. That's kind of crazy, Frank Q. That's been locking accounts. You know what I mean? Will HBAR be listed on Robinhood? That'd be, if it does, dude, that would be fantastic. I don't know why they wouldn't. I mean, HBAR has a really good use case. It's coming back now. It's starting to come back up on the hour. You can see right here, just started at 8 o'clock. So we're starting to make a little bit of a, well, we'll see what happens here. Actually, this new hour is kind of starting off a little rough. The 4 hour is not looking too hot. Boom. We just started a new 4 hour as well. New 4 hour just started. So we'll see. We'll see probably at midnight again. Like I said, midnight we'll probably have this come back down. We could get into the 2.5 easily. That'd be nuts. Austin, do you think Bitcoin is going to get most of the attention with Trump's son calling it 1 million? Absolutely, Doge. It's already getting a lot of attention. I think it's only going to get bigger. Bitcoin's going to only get bigger, dude. Thanks for answering. What's your XRP price prediction? I'm saying $7 to $10. That's my goal. That's what I want. A lot of people are saying that when RLUSD gets listed, that it's going to hit $5. We'll see. Dude. That's a it's going to go up 100%. My friend's account was locked and he was holding 200K worth of XRP. He can't get back in. Like he's completely locked out. They haven't been able to get him back in. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. I wonder why it got locked. I wonder, like, what is the reason behind it getting locked? Like, there has to be some reason behind it. Dude, I'm hoping this next run, dude. This would probably, I'm hoping sometime during this bull run, whenever that is. It could be another 250 days in the bull run, another year. Yeah, I think it could. I feel Robinhood locked mine. I can't get anything off it in the cold storage. Oh my gosh. My Ondo is up 2x at an all-time high. Yeah, Rob Goddett's been calling Ondo. He's been saying he's been in Ondo for a while, dude. Ondo's been doing well. I got to hand it to him. Close my short pricing, up funding, rate massively negative. All right. Vanna launching on Binance. Should we invest? Juicy Cup. I don't know. Do you think Bitcoin will affect XRP's potential? Not at all, dude. I think they're separate. No big change with XRP since 5 hours. Yeah, Kevin. It's been different. They locked accounts when you have investigation. When you have investigation to crime. Oh, damn, that's wild. HBAR might go to 25. We could see it. I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. Coinbase locked my account. It's almost a year now. I tried to unlock it. I had 7 ETH. Holy crap, dude. He's new to crypto. I have no idea. He doesn't even have a cold wallet. Oh my gosh, dude. That stresses me out already. I'm stressed out for him. HBAR is on Webull Pay. Really? I don't cold core. I didn't know that, but yeah, I'm not big into Webull, dude. Some people use it. Some people like it. RLUSD will release this week, and we'll all be happy Christmas Day. Yeah, dude, that'd be wild, bro. I'll be so cool. Coinbase market shows volume on HBAR creeping up. Yeah, the volume's going up because people are selling. Just kidding. I hope my price hits, dude. I hope my price hits. So who keeps XRP from pumping? It's gonna dissuade investors. No, I don't think so. We've been holding it for 300. We've been holding it. It stayed anywhere from $30 to $40 for like 900 days, dude. 5 days does not have me sweating at all. Are you in a lot of coins going to drop off when there's more regulation? There could be, yeah. I mean, or they just have to follow the regulation, right? Maybe they get deemed a security. Maybe the again, I think having guidelines, having a map of like what is and what's not a security based off of crypto, putting in those guardrails will help determine what is and what's not. What do you need to do? What laws do you need to follow? Then if you are security, then you go down that law. If you're not, then you go down the commodity side. Like, so you have to I think that having guardrails and expectations are going to only drive this industry in a better direction. Can you explain a little bit about selling? I'm in a game since first 1 week. Yeah, so basically, I mean, you just really, I mean, it's simple. You just got to ride these. I mean, be patient, be really patient, and don't react if like your bag goes down $100. Like, don't react like a knee jerk reaction. A lot of these established cryptos do really well. So just if you're new to crypto and you're building a bag, just continue to hold that bag. Don't make any knee jerk reactions. That's all I got to say. Because as soon as you make a knee jerk reaction, you miss out. So a lot of Canadians got their accounts locked because their number was showing it was big. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy, dude. As soon as you call support to help, your account gets locked because they think someone's faking. Oh my gosh. Doesn't make me too confident in crypto if Coinbase just locks your account. Well, that's why you have to get off decentralized exchanges. You got to move it over to a cold storage. I'm so stressed myself. It's silly. Thoughts on Doge long term? Yeah, I mean Doge is going to do well, dude. It's been in the top 10 for 3+ years, dude. It's going to continue to be up there. HBAR to a 25% possibility. We'll see. I got a buy at 28.5. We'll see if it hits. And if it keeps going down, I might adjust it to lower, dude. I mean, if this thing comes rocketing down, I might adjust it, because right now it's actually looking like about midnight we're going to be able to see it. It could come down to like into the 27s. So tell you the truth, when I get off the stream, if it hasn't hit, I'll probably adjust that. Exodus is a good free hot wallet. There you go. Canada's gone. Dude, damn. You think Solana's going to get $1,000 trying to decide which to have a long-term safety net? Yeah, I do. I think, yeah, I said Solana could get there a while back, dude. I think I made a video about that. Dude, when did I make a video about that? I made a video about Solana a long time ago, dude, saying that I thought it was going to hit. I thought Solana was going to hit 1,000. When did I say that? But we'll see, dude. Like I said, there has to be reason. We'll see. We'll see if it does. We'll see if it actually hits. So let's see here. Oopsies. Let me go back. What's up with Algorand? I mean, I think a lot of things are just sort of hovering right now. So yeah. I think they're just hovering around waiting. I mean, Bitcoin rallied right now. So usually when Bitcoin rallies like that, we fall back into the red. That's a very common thing that happens. So yeah, I'm not sweating it at all, dude. This is very normal. Sundays are normally red like this. So, it's not that bad. I'm in the shadow, bought at 50 cents, a good amount. Yeah, that's Shang. That's good, man. That's super good. I don't know enough about optimism. Yeah, I don't know enough about Optimism coin, dude. Is this your only account on TikTok? Yes, one. I have another one called Awesome Austin, and then I have Awesome Austin Crypto. Those are the two. And no, I'll never reach out to you. I'll never send you a thing asking for money. I'll never, try to do that. That's not what I do. So yeah, sorry if someone did that. Someone has fake. I got a lot of fake accounts all of a sudden. Crazy. It's insane. All you guys have hundred, if not thousands invested and don't want to put $100 to get a cold storage. Yeah, it's not even that. I think it's like $70 and you get a $40 kickback. You get a $40 in Bitcoin kickback. Hey, Austin, I'm new to crypto. I watch you every day before work while I drink coffee and lose money. Well, hopefully you don't lose too much money, man. Appreciate that, Anthony. Thank you so much for drinking coffee and watching with me every day before work. I do appreciate that a ton, man. And I hope you keep coming back. For long-term storage, I recommend cold wallets like Ledger, Decent, and yeah, there you go. Here's Cool Cat. Thank you, Cool Cat. What's your lowest market cap recommendation? What do you mean? Like what's the lowest crypto that I have? Like which crypto is the lowest in terms of market cap? I think the lowest one I have right now is Helium Mobile. I think that's the lowest ranking one I have, and I had that for a long time. So it's like, yeah, that's my dream is to go Top Golf with Austin. Heck yeah, Shang, where at, dude? I'll hit the crap out of Top Golf, man. I went there. I went to we went down to Vegas for my buddies. He just got married this last summer, and we went to Top Golf. For his bachelor party, went down to Vegas, and it was during March Madness. Had an awesome time, and then went to Top Golf. First time at Top Golf, dude, killed it. That thing is that I love Top Golf. I wish there was one closer. Losing money at work. XLM price prediction. I could see XLM moving up into the top 10 as well. I think a lot of the ISOs are going to move to the top 10. What is the best cold storage? I'm a Ledger guy. Off topic, I'll join your soccer team. I played some semi-pro indoor, trained with the pro team. Do you remember the Milwaukee Wave? Played on their. Oh wow, dude, that's awesome, dude. So you're really good at soccer. I only played soccer. I played a lot of indoor soccer. I didn't play, and then I played intramural in college, and then that's all I've done. I didn't, and then now I don't even play soccer. It's my daughter. My daughters play soccer. So those are they play for a Rain Academy for the professional Rain team, their little farm team going up. They made it on that team. So that's what they do. So they play year-round soccer, and it's quite intense. Never realized how much actually goes into soccer. You got to bring the OT. Oh, the OT lowered the T so you didn't hit the ball so as far. Yeah, that's true, dude. That thing, you can rip those balls pretty good. And you are a true YouTuber, no promotion, non BS. Buy in this page, and you'll have 20 off in a BTC. That did you get a lot of that, Alan? Did you get a lot of that crazy stuff? Damn. Well, I appreciate that, Alan. Thank you so much, dude. I guess I didn't realize that people out there trying to hustle like that. That just seems crazy to me. I wonder why people are out there always hustling like that. Like, all right, let's go to the live now. Hey, make sure you click on this link right now if you want to actually buy my promotional videos on how to become a millionaire on Bitcoin. Maybe I'll make an infomercial, Just kidding. No, I would never do that. That's wild. Did Austin have a job interview today? Rocking the vest tonight? Dude, it's a cutoff, dude. I'm Bill Belichick today, dude. He got that job at UNC. I figured I'd show up a little be a little bit of a Bill Belichick today. A-team Top Golf, let's go. Nashville is our closest one, but Nashville is, dude. I went down to Nashville dude. I love Nashville. Nashville is awesome, dude. Tangem is good. Cold wallet, very simple. Okay, there you go. A lot of people like Tangem on here, dude. So as much as I call for Ledger, dude, a lot of people here like Tangem. So if you are new to wallets, only send very small amounts first. Yes, definitely send a little small amount first. Football is a real sport, not American football. One is definitely better than the other because you always say daughter and then correct the daughters. Well, one's just really dedicated. The other one, she's like just really good at defense. Like she likes playing goalie and stuff like that. She does it more for fun. And the other one is more like very competitive, like really die hard. She's like wants to, she practices every day, works on her footwork, so she puts a lot more time. And it's just the other one just wants to have fun. She doesn't want to be this demanding thing. And so I will never do that to that one. The other one, she's a lot more. There's more of a dedication training, trying to be the best. And she's pretty good. Awesome. Love soccer. Yeah. Girls should use the head and neck bounce soccer balls. Yeah, they don't. They actually, it's a penalty. If a young kid under the age of 13 in at least in the state of Washington, I don't know how it works around, but yeah, if they do a header, it's a penalty. I respect the fact that you're not constantly promoting and selling videos. I'm glad that we're all on that same page. I'll never do that. If you trade your date she'll probably get mad. Nashville for sure. I'm from Argentina and have family in Tennessee. Oh, really, Alan? Dude, that's crazy, dude. Do you live in Argentina right now or no, Alan? I heard Argentina is like turned around like 100% with the new president. Tangem is good and holds a lot of different tokens, but phone cases can sometimes interfere. Oh, really? Interesting. Sandbox is good. I like Sandbox. XRP prediction. Yeah, we're thinking like 7 to 10. He missed the message on why he said the date. Yeah, I totally missed that thing, dude. Big A was saying something wild. Tangent's good. Yeah. Bitcoin City, El Salvador. How does it work? Yeah, so El Salvador is holding on, dude. How does it work with Cold Wall? You plug the USB, transfer to Coinbase. What if you want to sell? You have to send it back, dude. You send it back to Coinbase. Does Coinbase hold your funds for a time period? No, they don't. Well, I don't know. It depends. They don't hold mine. I can transfer off right away. I really want to see the Caps game in Washington. Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah. Lex Friedman did a podcast with the press of Argentina. That's true. He did. Make sure you test that. You can get your funds back. Yeah. Definitely test your stuff before you do it. I'm from Indianapolis. Oh, Indianapolis. Indy's nice, man. I went out to Indy once. It's nice out there. What do you think the most overrated, undervalued blue chips are? I think the most overrated blue chip is probably, it's a good question. I mean, I think right now, probably one of the most overrated. I mean, it's tough to say, dude, but like, I mean, Polkadot has always sort of been like that for me. But again, you know, it's an interesting play. Like I said, there's just so many blockchains that are overtaking Polkadot, but a lot of people like it. I just don't own any of it. Probably most underrated is Quant. I mean, Quant's way out there. It's always sort of been like this least talked. A lot of people talk about it, but a lot of people don't know about it. And it's because it's always sort of lingered around this like 47 ranking. But it seems like Quant's probably the most underrated one that we talk about, especially from an ISO standpoint. It's sitting at 75 now, dude. You know, this is one of those that a lot of people, this is a slow mover. You know, it's at 138. It's probably because where the price is. A lot of people are like, oh, that's expensive for per coin. So people don't really, it's not attractive to a lot of people. But Quant's probably one of the most underrated ones out here. I think we could all probably agree on that one. Dot, a sleeping giant. Yeah, I think it's crazy because a lot of people talk about it, but a lot of people, like I said, there's a lot of people out here that are still down on it, right? So they haven't actually got back to their original investment. So being where it's at, it's kind of like this. You say it could be. I hope it's a sleeping giant, dude. I hope it does come back, right? But I just think it's yeah. Ada's probably up there too. I mean, Ada might even be more because it's just a slow mover. Definitely overrated in terms of like trying to get your price back. I think it's good. It's just really slow mover. That's all. Super slow mover. Why is XRP moving like at all? I think it's just a lot of money moving out into. Usually when Coinbase is pumping, a lot of the alts are stay where they're at. What do you think about Tron? Yeah, Tron's up there too, right? Tron. Yeah, you're right, dude. Kenny, you're right. Tron's definitely one of those as well. Tron's definitely one of those. Yeah. Celestia, dude, Alex, I don't know enough about it, but yeah, I've heard it's been around for a while. So yeah, HBAR entry looking like that 275. Don't forget your stop loss trade safe. Yeah, I already put it in. I made like a 195 today, $195 off of it. I hit my stop loss at. I think I stopped it. I can't remember where it was. I had to go back and look, but yeah, I stopped it before it came down. So now I put a buy order in at 28.5. But I said I probably, now with the chart looking the way it is, I'll probably have to move that down. I like Pepe. I like Shib. Yeah, those are good. I've held Pepe for a long time. So yeah, Pepe is legit. Federal Reserve buyback plan, true. Yeah, I think it is, Krav. I truly think it is. You see crypto, in crypto, I think crypto is going to make a lot of people. I mean, yeah, I see crypto in 25 years. Bitcoin's going to be probably crazy. So is it really worth the hardware wallet, leaving it on Coinbase? I mean, Andreas, yeah. Andres, I think it is. Can you talk about what the different coins, tokens were created? Well, I mean, you got a lot. I mean, you got meme coins, you got utility, you got DAOs. I mean, there's so much to talk about with these. It's crazy. You know, go search them up and see which ones you like. I mean, there's blockchain. Then there's tokens on blockchains. Like Pepe is a token on a blockchain. It's just a meme coin. Just sold some Shin for Flare the other day. Oh, that jumped quick. Just sold some Flare. I don't know where that just went. I just lost your comment, dude. Oh, started wrapping them for rewards. Okay, good, John. That's good. What does Ripple mean when they say they are going to buy back XRP to give to institutions? Basically, they're going to buy XRP. So yeah, and then they'll drop them over to institutions. I don't know if that's actually they're going to do that. That seems interesting. But I'll just give you guys a heads up. I'm probably going to get off here in about 5 minutes. They'll put me on here for about 2 hours. Just give everyone the heads up. I got to get some food in me, dude. I literally came home, freaking got ready to rock and roll. So I used Hashpack to store my HBAR. Super user friendly. Okay. Can you explain why meme coins work? Some meme coins don't, dude. The very few, only like 1% of the meme coins actually make it through out of like hundreds of thousands being created. So yeah, it's a very small amount that make it through. And usually the only ones that work are the ones that where the contracts don't change, where you can't get rugged, all that kind of stuff, dude. Almost to 73K subscribers. Are we almost there, dude? That's awesome, dude. Let's see. Let me look where we at. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's go back to dude. We're at 72,886, dude. We're getting there. We are getting there, dude. Yeah, Ripple has a buyback program. Look into it when you have a chart. Okay, yeah, Trey, I'll take a look at it, dude. Just subbed. Awesome. Appreciate that, John. Thank you so much for the sub. At a 2.5 ribeye pound for steak, dude. We bought ribeye today, dude. That sounds bomb right now. A ribeye steak sounds amazing. Wow, it's like 3K in the past week or two. You talking about subs, John? Is that what you're talking about? XRP could still go to 225, 218. You think so, Royal? You think so? It's hitting that 241. It's starting to make a little bounce back a little bit. Old school. Don't make me donate to eat on stream. Half of us, the guy in the back seat, talking about where we're all going next when the party's over. Did someone say Jolt Cola? I don't even know what that is, Viking Cat. Would you recommend a Ledger Nano X? Yeah, I like this is what I have. I have the Ledger Nano X right there. You can see. Boop. You guys can see right there. That's what I got. What's a wrapped coin? It's basically when you move something over to a blockchain, you wrap it in that blockchain. So like if I've created a token and I want to use the Ethereum network, that token will be wrapped in Ethereum. So there has to be an Ethereum. So you have to be able to trade it, right? So you provide liquidity for that token and it has to be paired with Ethereum. So you're buying Ethereum as well. So there's a 1-to-1 pairing on the Ethereum. That's why what's crazy when you look at the liquidity pools, like, so if you're looking at, like, let's just pull up a DEX right here real quick, okay? So here's a good example of a DEX. If anyone's been in here, let's just take a look at Bonk, right? So Bonk, obviously an established cryptocurrency. It's out there. So when you look at the liquidity pool right here, it's $5.4 million in liquidity. But really what that is, that's actually saying there's only about half of that is Solana and the other half is Bonk. It's a 1-for-1 ratio. So really there's technically only $2.5 million of Solana in here. And again, you can only swap Bonk for Solana. So that's how it's looked at. So when you see a 5.4 million liquidity, just realize that's a 1-to-1 pairing. Half is in Solana, half is in the token, because again, you have to trade that out. That's how liquidity pools work. So same with Pepe, right? We'll pull up Pepe, another established meme coin. The reason why we're on the DEX side here, so it makes it easier to see. So right here, liquidity pool is huge for Pepe on the DEX side, $80 million. That means that there's $40 million of Ethereum and there's $40 million towards Pepe, a 1-to-1 pairing. So Pepe is wrapped in Ethereum, and then to buy Pepe, you got to use Ethereum to buy it because it's wrapped in Ethereum. And that goes across that's the same thing for every blockchain out there. When RLUSD comes over to Ripple, it's got to be a 1-to-1 ratio with XRP. So if there's $1 in, let's just say there's $1 in RLUSD, you're going to buy however much it is for XRP. So it's going to be like a 0.5 XRP for a 1-to-1 matching, because XRP is $2.50. So it's going to be roughly $1.25 for one RLUSD wrapping, right? Or sorry, take that back. It's going to be a $1 worth of XRP to match $1 of RLUSD. So that's going to be basically 0.33. What is it? What is it, like 0.33, something like that? I don't know. Of XRP. Yeah, it's pretty crazy when you think about it. So to match XRP, you're going to need $2.40 of RL USD to get 1 XRP. Kick off your shoes and relax. Pepe is a meme. Yeah, Pepe is definitely a meme token. You know, and the reason why I pulled up there is just because this is a DEX, so this is on the decentralized side of these blockchains. So if you are looking at the DeFi side, this is all the blockchains that are on the DeFi side. So you'll see Solana and BNB and Tron and Ton and all these different things over here because these are blockchains that you can buy. Which we're looking at when we go look at, like, you know, when you go over here and you're like, oh, I wonder what these cryptos are. Some of them are blockchains like Avalanche. So you go over to the DEX side and you can see Avalanche is right. Where is Avalanche? Why don't I not see Avalanche on here? Dude, how is there no Avalanche? Oh, right there. So you go to the Avalanche and then here's all the tokens that have been created on the Avalanche. So yeah, it's pretty crazy how blockchains work. So but yeah, with all that, guys, I'm gonna hop off here. I'm gonna go get some food in me. I appreciate everyone coming in here and kicking it with me tonight to watch this stream. I'm so happy that we hit an all-time high for Bitcoin. We're in altcoin season right now. Things are gonna be picking up, and I honestly can't even wait for what this week's gonna bring with RLUSD. Like, I'm super excited. I don't know what day it's gonna be. I hope it's tomorrow. I hope that we have a crazy stream, and we just go from there. So yeah, with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic night or morning or wherever you're from. And just, again, really, really appreciate all the support and love on this channel. You guys are all amazing. And the communities, the A team's getting stronger and stronger every day. And I couldn't be more appreciative of it. So with all that, again, have a great night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys a ton. And we're out. Peace out, everyone.